One sentence. That's all it takes to introduce yourself in European Portuguese. In this video, you'll learn how to say your name and where you're from. Vamos começar! There are many ways to introduce yourself in European Portuguese, but there are three that are the most common. The first one, the one most people reach for in real conversation, is Chamo-me. Literally, it means I call myself. Chamo-me Sérgio. Chamo-me Ana. Chamo-me whatever your name is. The second form is o meu nome é. My name is. It's a little more formal and a little more deliberate. You might use it when you're introducing yourself at the beginning of a meeting. It carries a bit more weight. In everyday life, meeting a neighbor, chatting at a cafe, joining a community event, Chamo-me is what you'll hear and what people will expect. The third is sou o or sou a plus your name. Sou o Sérgio. With this one, we're using the verb ser, to be, describing more permanent characteristics and qualities, like your name or nationality. All three are correct, so try them all and see which one just flows more naturally for you. You'll never go wrong with any of them. Once you've said your name, the next thing people often ask is, where are you from? De onde és? And the answer in European Portuguese starts with two simple words, sou de. Same verb as before, but this time with de to follow. Sou de, followed by wherever you're from. Sou de Boston. Sou de Londres. Sou do Canadá. You'll notice I said sou do Canadá. That's because when a place name needs the article o, the two words contract. Sou de plus o equals sou do. We'll cover articles in more detail in another video. Now, what if you want to say your nationality instead of the place that you're from? In European Portuguese, some nationality adjectives change depending on your gender. If you identify as a man, you'd say sou americano. If you identify as a woman, sou americana. This pattern applies across many nationalities, though not all. The feminine form usually ends in a. The best way to see how all this fits together is to hear it in a real conversation. Let's take a moment and listen.
Olá, chamo-me Jeff. E você?
Olá, chamo-me Carla. Muito prazer.
Muito prazer. É portuguesa?
Sou sim. Sou de Coimbra. E o senhor?
Sou americano e sou da Califórnia.
Que interessante. Fala muito bem.
Obrigado. Ainda a aprender.
Notice how naturally chamo-me and sou de fit into that exchange, and how Jeff uses sou americano because that's the form that fits him. Let's practice saying the words out loud. Chamo-me. Sou de. Sou americano. Sou americana. Now you have everything you need to introduce yourself in European Portuguese. Uma pequena lição de cada vez, one small lesson at a time. If you'd like to keep going, to build on this, practice in real conversation, and find a community to learn European Portuguese, the door is open at conversaclub.com. Até já!